Hi friends, welcome to the channel of Agadtantra. Today, let's look to the topic that is Garavisha. The term Garavisha, the word Gara, it comes from the root word gr with the suffix ach, which means to dilute or in the liquid form. It is classified under Kritrima or Samyogaja Visha by the Acharyas. Garavisha, it is a Kritrima Visha or we can call it as an artificial poison which is formed by the Nirvisha Dravya Samyoga, that is combination of non-poisonous substances. According to Vagbada, Kritrim Visha is called as a Garavisha. When we look into the types of Garavisha, we can find two types of Gara, that is Nirvisha Dravya Samyoga and Savisha Dravya Samyoga. Nirvisha Dravya Samyoga means it is a combination of two non-poisonous substances. For example, Viruddhahara, which I have already discussed, it can be considered as a Gara. And when it comes into Savisha Dravya Samyoga, it includes the combination of poisonous materials which can be termed as a Kritrima Visha. Next. According to Ashtanga Hridaya, it is mentioned that Kritrimam Gara Samyam tu Kriyade Vividaushadaihi Handi Yogavashe Ashu Chira Chiratarachatat Shofa Pandu Udara Unmada Durnamadin Karodiva. Which means, as we already discussed, Vagbada has mentioned the Gara as a Kritrima Visha which is formed by the combination of different types of dravyas, and according to its severity it is classified as Ashuvisha, Chiravisha and Chirataravisha. According to the severity, Vagbada has classified it as Ashuvisha, Chirataravisha, and it causes diseases such as Shofa, Pandu, Udara, Unmada, Durnamadi, etc. It is mentioned by Vagbada. Then when we come into the Vyakya, according to the Charaka Chikilsasthana, the Acharya is referred as Gara Samyogajam cha Anyat Gara Samyam Gada Pradam Kalandara Vibhagitwana Tad Ashu Haratyasun. The meaning goes as Garavisha, it is prepared artificially by the mixture of various substances to produce the various diseases. It exerts toxic effect after some time and it doesn't kill the person instantly because of the Kalandara Vibhagitva. It doesn't kill the person instantly. Then when it comes to the Ashtanga Hridaya, they are mentioned as Vagbadas, they are mentioned as Nana Prani Angashamala Viruddhaushadhi Basmanam Vishanam Cha Alpaviryanam Yogo Gara Idi Smridaha. The meaning goes as because of the combination of the body parts and excreta of different animals, or the incompatible drugs or the ashes and poisonous substances of mild potency, that combination is referred to as the Garavisha. That is, it may be a combination of the body parts and excreta of different animals, incompatible drugs, ashes and poisonous substances of mild potency. Next sloka is given as Saubhagyartam Striyo Bhartre Rajne Varadi Choditaha Garam Ahara Sambruktam Yacha Asanna Vartinaha. That means in olden days the woman used to serve the food mixed with their sweat or menstrual blood or different types of excreta of their body in order to gain favor from their husband, or may administer Garavisha along with food to the kings under the influence of enemies. They may use it for the Vashikarna purpose or because of the influence of the enemies with the favor. To do the favor to the enemies, they mix these types of materials and give it to the king. They are also referred to as the Gara and they used to give it by mixing it in Ahara. Then the Lakshana of the Garavisha is given as Tena Pandu Krisho Alpagni Kasa Shwasa Jwararditaha Vayuna Pradilomena Sopna Chinda Parayanaha Mahodara Yakrit Pliho Dina Vag Durbalo Alasaha Shofavan Sadadatmadaha Shushka Pada Karaha Kshe. The symptoms are Panduda, Krisha, Alpagni, Kasa Shwasa, Jwara, Pradiloma Vayu, Mahodara, Yakrit Pliha Vikara, Deenavak, Durbalada, Alasaka, Shofa, Shushkapadakara and Kshaya. All these diseases may be manifested due to the influence of the Garavisha. Then an important feature which is seen in the Garavisha is that of the dreams. We can see these types of dreams in two types of disease. One is in Garavisha and in the Raja Yakshma also we can see the weird dreams and all. And in the Garavisha the dreams were Prayaha Pashyati Shushkanscha Vanaspati Jalashayan Manyade Krishnamatmanam Gauro Gauram cha Kalagaha Vikarna Nasa Nayanam Paschetat Vihadendriyaha Ede Anyescha Bahubihi Klishto Gorerubhadravaihi Gararto Nashamapnoti Kaschit Satyu Achikilsitaha. The dreams they may see, mostly they may see the Shushka Vanaspati or Jalashya, or they lose his sense organs, that is, he can see himself as fair complexion if he is dark, and vice versa, or he see that he is devoid of ears and nose. Next comes the Chikitsa of the Garavisha. In the Chikitsa, it is given as Garartho Vandavan Bhuktva Tat Patyam Pana Bhojanam Shuddhahrit Shilayet Hema Sutrasthana Vide Smaran. The treatment principles are first Vamana Prayoga, next Patya Pana Bhojana, next intake of Swarna Makshika and intake of Swarna Basma when along with the sugar and the Sharkara and the Madhu. That is, for the Vamana, we can administer fine powder of copper along with honey and it causes the Hridaya Shuddhi. Next, the Swarna, it is mentioned to give in the ek Shana Matra and the effect of this is indicated like that when we intake the Swarna, the poison, it does not stay in the body on taking Swarna like waters on lotus leaf, like water does not get absorbed in the lotus leaf. Likewise, Gara or any type of visha, it will not get absorbed in the body if we intake Swarna. Next, an Agatapana, that is Nagadandyadi Agata is referred. In this, the buffalo Mahisha Grita, it is cooked with Nagadandi, Travrat, Dandi, Dravandi, Snuhi Kshira, Madana Phala, along with 1 adaka of cow's urine. And it cures all the poisonous from the snake bites, insects and from Gara. Next, an important and wonderful yoga which is mentioned in the Garavisha is Muruvadi Churna. And the yoga is Muruvamrita Nada Kana Patoli Chavya Chitragan Vaja Musta Vedangani Takra Koshnambu Mastabihi Pibed Rasene Cha Amlene Garobhada Pavagaha. These are the ingredients of the Murvadi Churna, and the Anupana is mentioned as Takra Koshnambu Yamastu. By the intake of this, it helps in the curing the Gara Ubahada Pavagaha, that is the Agni Mandya which is caused due to the Garavisha. It can be cured by this Murvadi Churna. Next, for the conditions also, Acharya has mentioned yoga, that is, if the Upadrava Swarupa, if comes Trishna, Ruja, Kasa, Shwasa, Hikka, Jwara, etc., he can intake Paravada Mamsarasa along with Shadi and Pushkara Mula Siddha Hima. The Hima should be prepared with these drugs and can be given to the patient to cure these diseases. Next is the treatment of agar. If Ojakshaya Krishada occurs due to the intake of Garavisha, by the Prakarshana, by rubbing of Manjishta, Abhamarga, Nimba, Haridra, Ashwata and Chandana, we can cure this Krishada and Ojakshaya. Next, ek Parampatya is mentioned in the Garavisha, that is Grita and Kshira. Grita Kshira Pana is said to be Parampatya in case of Garavisha, and the Nagadandyati Grita which I have mentioned earlier. Thank you. Let's stop today's lecture. The contemporary significance, the significance in the modern era of the Garavisha and Dushvisha, we can discuss in the next class. If you have any suggestion, please write in the comment box. Thank you.